What's good? What's good? Good morning from Canada. Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack's. Gonna go over Fantom, guys. Dropped right down to our buy zone and bounce. You gotta love it when that happens. We're sitting at $2.30. We're down about 3.6 on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 5.78 billion. 24-hour volume 924 million. What's the date today? I have to do my sponsorship post. Hey guys, this video is sponsored by Crypto.com, the world's fastest crypto growing app. They have their incredible Visa card for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. The Staples Center is now officially Crypto.com. Happened on Christmas Day, so incredibly exciting. Check this out, guys. I'm gonna have to go to LA just to see this Crypto.com arena. It's the world's fastest crypto growing app. They have Crypto Earn, which is absolutely incredible. Let me quickly pop it up. We'll get into the video real quick here. Where you can earn incredible interest on staking your coins. 14% on stable coins, 12%, sorry you guys, 12% on stable coins, 6% on Crow, 6% Ethereum, 6% Bitcoin, 6.5%. It's my favorite platform for investing, and I absolutely love their Visa card. $25 just for signing up through my referral. So let's get into Fantom, guys. So we're here on the 1 hour time frame. This is absolutely gorgeous, guys. We came right down to our buy zone at 210, and we perfectly bounced straight up to our profit zone. So it's just such a beautiful quick trade right here of 11% for FTM. I just took 25%. I didn't exit my whole trade because, of course, you know, Fantom could just continue to pump here. I get a lot of comments like, Jax, how do you time your take profit zones and your buy zones? Sometimes they hit perfectly. You can see right here, we hit our take profit zone, we came down, we hit our buy zone, we popped up. It won't always be that perfect, but it's really simple, guys. It's just support and resistance. You open up your chart, you look for levels of support. So this is a kind of in-between support, I guess you would call it, where there's resistance here, support here, and then there's just a little bit of resistance in this area. But usually you would target a strong level of structural support, something like right here. We have a lot of support here. You see all this support in this area, resistance. So that's where I put my buy zones and my take profit zones and Fibonacci levels. It's really simple, guys. I mean, the trading method, all we're doing is we're buying support and we're selling resistance. The reason that most traders fail is because they buy here at 210 with all their money, and then price continues to fall and they're like, oh well, I'm stuck in my trade now, I can't sell. So they just hold, or they're over leveraged and price breaks down, they get liquidated, right? But we're dollar cost averaging. As a spot trader, it's a no fail strategy, and as a leverage trader, it's pretty safe as well. When you dollar cost average, you bring down your average price, you ride the slingshot back up. Anyways, guys, we're here on the 1 hour time frame. So you can see we came right down to oversold, came right down to our buy zone. The money flow came right down to the oversold section as well, and we saw a nice little bounce. So we came up, we hit this level of resistance at 233, nice little 11% trade there. Like I said, I only closed 25% of my position, because if we do roll over and we come lower, well, I'll just continue to dollar cost average into my trade. We do have to watch for a double top, guys. If we come up, we hit resistance and we roll and we create a second top, that is a bearish pattern. And you take your measurement from your neckline to your top of your pattern, and could take Fantom all the way back down to about $1.77. But it can be invalidated if we simply come up and we break this high for FTM. We pop over to the 4 hour time frame. You can see we were having that bearish divergence that I mentioned, higher high, lower highs, and the money was flowing right out of Fantom, and we saw that pullback that we were looking for, and we were able to get back into our trade. So this will now turn into our entry, buy zone / entry, and we can take our initial entry, guys. This was a massive trade for us. This was a juicy basically 80% trade for FTM from our first entry. So shout out to everybody who crushed that trade with me. That was crazy. We just absolutely killed it on that trade. So I'm going to take this out. It's just a buy zone now. So our entry is now up here at 210. Now if you had money left over and you just left it in and then you bought in and again at 210, your average price is already lower than the current price. So you're already sitting in profits right when you hit that buy zone. You have now more money in your trade, and your average price is already lower because your first buy zone was here at 136. Or you can set your stop loss. That's what I did. I locked in the rest of my profits and I just re-entered. That's another little strategy as well. So sometimes when you see these candles that wick up like that, it usually signals a reversal in the trend, not always, but you can see right here, the bears are trying to push down the price and the bulls are like, haha, I don't think so. Push it right up. And then the bulls try to push up the price and the bears are like, nah, and it comes back down. So sometimes those do signal reversal in the trend, guys. So we may see a little bit of push back down to the buy zone once again, or we come up and see continuation if we break this high. Now, another beautiful thing, guys. So if you entered at 210, this is one of my favorite parts of the strategy. Let's say you sold 50% right here. You entered with $500. You sold $250. You locked in those gains. Well, if you come back down once again, what you can do is re-enter with $250 once again. So you have your money back in your trade. You just made that 50% profit, and now you came back to your buy zone, so you have the entire amount back in your trade, which is incredible. So let's jump into the daily time frame. So here we are on the daily. So I have been talking about this in the previous video about this ascending triangle and how this resistance line, previous support line could act as resistance coming in at 279. You can see we pushed right back above the 1.414 and we're holding it as support. We're about to have the bullish cross of the EMAs, which is a massive sign of strength. So Fantom is looking really, really good, guys. If we hold this level of support, we hold the EMAs, we're going to see continuations and a large breakout to the upside. The other bearish scenario is that we consolidate, we create a right shoulder, and we roll over. So if we start to lose these levels of support, 204, 178, we lose the EMAs, and we could see a bit of reversal in the trend. But as of right now, we're looking really, 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 really healthy for continuation, and we've just absolutely crushed it with an 80% trade, and now a nice little 10%, 11% trade right there. Only closed 25%. So for me personally, if it will come back down to 210, I'll re-enter with that 25%, so I'll have the entire amount in my trade once again. All right, guys, I'll give our bull run targets for FTM. We have the 2 extension coming in at 592, but personally my bull run target is the 2.272, which is coming in at 993 for FTM. Maybe I'll round this. Can I round this up to $10? $10 just looks a little bit more sexy, you know. So $10 is my bull run target for our friend Fantom. Guys, I highly recommend the Discord, where we have the DCA charts updated daily or whenever necessary. It's the price of a coffee, not only for Fantom. You got Mana, Decentraland, Vet, VeChain, Matic, and a few more, guys, and over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.